Diamond Jess, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing a diamond painting called Sea of Storms by the artist Lioba Bruckner from Diymoonshop. If you're new to my channel, then welcome, and if you're not, then welcome back. Disclaimer first, you might hear a little noise in the background sometime during the video. I live next to a freeway off-ramp, so if you do, I'm apologizing in advance. Okay, let's look at this beauty right here. Hope you could see that in the full frame, kinda. So shiny and beautiful. Turned out absolutely amazing. I had so much fun doing this painting. I did it within a week and a half. In my opinion, it turned out absolutely gorgeous. This diamond painting is a size 45 by 60 centimeter, and it's a full round drill with pour glue adhesive. I customized some of it with different beads, which I'll show you now. So I used prism pearls from Diymoonshop in her camisole area. Those are the blackish greenish beads you see right there that are really, really sparkly. And then I used, let's see, there's some right here, Ombre Fuscia DP with sparklers, like the purple ones right there that are really sparkly. I put them right there, like mostly in the purple areas. Like, see, there's some more up here in the top. Where else? Just like mostly like in random purple areas, you know. And then I also used Snow White ABs, white ABs basically, like in the white areas. Can't really see them as good as the DP with sparklers or the prism, but where's some other ones? I know I put more. They're mostly up at the top. Like, see that little AB right there? You can't really see, but those two right there, yeah. But anyways, there was only like a little bit of the white I added, but those are the customizations I made. I mean, so freaking pretty. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. See what else. So those were the big customizations I did. Let's see. Oh, I'll put the link in the description box for the, if you like the DP with sparklers, the Ombre Fuscia. They were the glow glass drills, I believe. I'll put the link down in the description box below, as well as the link to this painting if you're interested as well. I didn't have any issues with this painting at all. I love doing it, like I said. I ordered this painting January 17th and I received it February 17th, literally exactly a month after I ordered it, which is, I thought, pretty fast because this is all the way out. Diymoonshop's out in the Philippines, so I was pretty stoked. But yeah, let's see, the price of this was $68 on the website, but shipping for me, because I live in the States, was $25.26. So the total cost for this was $93.26. But to me, totally worth it, because if anyone knows me at all yet, I'm obsessed with Diymoonshop. So I will pay the price. But yeah, they are pretty pricey, but I mean, their paintings to me are worth it. They always turn out so pretty to me. But yeah, that's pretty much my review. I just wanted to really show it off real quick. Again, thank you guys all, to my subscribers and to anyone and everyone who watched this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the review and liked looking at the painting. I love the rose right here, the sword, and there's like, this is the helmet too. I think that's a helmet, pretty sure. I mean, she just turned out so gorgeous. Like, and then the butterfly up here. There's actually two butterflies. Where's the other one? Oh, right here. There's another butterfly down here, another rose. Like, just so gorgeous. I'm obsessed with this painting. Probably one of my favorites so far. But yeah, again, thank you guys all so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.